How awesome is that, by the way, that we were able to write a unit test for our code? We're not doing this just for fun. We're doing this because it's going to make our framework that much better, because we're going to have unit tests that actually test our methods to make sure that they work. Either way, let me put a breakpoint here and run this unit test. If you right click and do run tests or control RT, I'm going to click, oops, and I should have clicked debug tests because I wanted it to stop at this breakpoint, but it's okay. Let's see, let's let it run. And of course, I already see my problem, which if we look right here, boom, you guys see this problem? In that, it went to www.qtptutorial.net and then the rest of the stuff. And that is a problem which I knew I was going to face. I just want you guys to see it because in our go-to method, we designed it quickly. And so what we do is we navigate to base URL and the relative URL together. And our base URL is www.qtptutorial.net. And so we're always going to navigate there, and then we append the relative URL to the rest of that. So we're going to need to fix that. Just keep that in mind, but not right now. Right now, I want to prove to you guys that our element is displayed method is working correctly, or at least prove to myself. So again, I'm going to click here, click debug this time, have it stop right here, and then I'm going to step over this using F10, let it go to there, no problem, no problem. And all we have to do is remove this for now, hit enter, and that didn't work because I need to copy this. It got URL encoded. Copy this, paste that in there. Something isn't right. Oh, that's really weird. I got these spaces here. That's why there's a problem. I'm not sure how this happened. Very weird. Span ID, don't need the space there. Everything else looks okay. Let me copy this again. There you go. Awesome. So now we have this hello text in our HTML document. Let's go ahead and step over this as well. And now this should pass because element is displayed by ID hello. Step over. And it failed. And that's interesting. But that's okay. We can debug and figure that out. One lesson that you guys are learning here is that not everything always goes perfect, right? And that's one thing that I think people really need to learn when learning automated software testing in general. And that even though I have a plan, I have many ideas, I have a lot of experience, not everything goes right for me. There are always problems along the way. And I spend a lot of time debugging these problems and trying to figure out what went wrong. And that is completely normal. I don't know anybody for whom everything always goes perfect. You just need to gather your knowledge and you need to be able to debug very well. And those are very important skills. And that's a lot of skills that are missing in most software automation engineers that I always see. A lot of people don't really know how to debug. But for me, I believe that that's one of my strongest attributes is the debugging, because I can usually get down to the source of the error pretty quickly. So don't get discouraged. This is part of the normal process. We are just working along, debugging, no big deal. We will figure it out.